Okay, Ken, close your eyes, cross your arms. It's a trust fall. You can trust me. I am going to catch you. On 3. 1, 2, 3. But he couldn't trust me, and I did not keep him perfectly safe. But you know what you can trust to keep you perfectly safe? Smoke alarms. Working smoke alarms save lives. So install them, test them, maintain them in your home. No fire prevention officers were injured in the filming of this video.